Technical analysis, what is it and why it's so important on binary options? Hi, my name is Camila and today I'm gonna explain to you the full technical analysis. And if you watch this video till the end, I'm gonna tell you about two new indicators that I know but never told you about before. So let's get started. As usual, we're gonna correct the panel for ourselves, so we choose the assets with the biggest payout, so I could show you on the examples what the technical analysis is. And also we use the candles for 30 seconds and we enable the timer so we can see how long the candle goes, and the indicators, bad indicators in the end. And also we're gonna have the timer for 1 minute and the amount for $1,000. So let's start. Technical analysis is very important part of the trading, and it helps you to analyze, to understand what's happening on the market and have more profitable deals that you have usually. So let's find a nice situation to show me the few first things. So here we have the first thing from the technical analysis. It's very bright example, so we can see a stable growing. We have a stable growings and stable falling, so we can predict what will happen. So here we see the stable growing, and it's not the maximum because we don't have the straight line. It's a stable growing, and you can see it perfectly here that the price is stably growing with some falling, but in the end it's still growing. And usually after that it goes stably falling down. For example, now I think it will be a little time for a shortcut down, and then it will stably going downwards, and we will not have here a breaking line. For example, I'm thinking from the technical analysis that the price will go lower here because we will have a few seconds for the lowering the price to going for the lowering here, and it will be going, I suppose, like this way, not very breakingly, not very edgy, but very nicely. It will go like this maybe, so we won't have this breaking line. So let's see, let's wait a little bit. You can see that now I'm using only one technical analysis, and with that I'm already having, I think I will have here a profitable deal. That is just amazing that you can know just a few technical analysis and already having a great profitable deals for the great amount of money. And guys, just so easily, only with one indicator we already have a positive trade, a profitable one. It was a stable growing, and let's continue. That was the first one. So what we can see, for example, here's a great model of second very important thing, the curves. The curves is everywhere. It's one of the most popular technical analysis, and I will explain to you what is it. The curves is this. You can understand it from the name. So you can see the price a little bit falling, then a little bit growing, and then falling and growing again. And it can be a very little curves to a big curves. For example, this one is a big curve, this one is a little, this one is a big one, a little, big one, a little, and now I think will be a big one. So let's put it to the downwards because I think that here gonna be a big curve. You can see it by yourself that the curve going with the lines like this, and I'm thinking that here gonna be a curve again because we have a little curves, and now it's a time for big curves. So we just have to wait a little bit, and we're gonna see a great profitable result for 100%. So let's understand what I'm saying. So the first technical analysis was about growing and falling, but not very risky, but just generally growing, generally falling. And now we're talking about the curves, that is very important, very popular on the market, and it's very great opportunity to understand it. And you can see that we having a profit just easily with one indicator, with one technical analysis that we can understand and learn. And now we're having 2 profitable deals, and each deal I close just know about one technical analysis that I need. So let's go to the third one, and now we're seeing really nice situation. So we're gonna go for the downwards here, I think. So let's put the trade in motion and I'm gonna explain to you. Here we're seeing the very popular technical analysis on the market. It's the maximum and the minimum. That is very important, that is very popular on the market, so you can use it for yourself every time. So we had the big minimum right here. You can see it by yourself. So it was a great minimum. And now we're gonna have the great maximum right here. So you can see it by yourself. So it went to the great maximum. And now I think it's gonna fall again to the stable time of the price. So let's show up the great maximum right here. Usually it works that way. So the great maximum, and now it's gonna fall down. And guys, we have third profitable deal just understanding one of the many technical analysis, and I think that is really amazing. So let's continue. It was third technical analysis, and let's see more. So now you can see that here we having the great maximum again. You can see it by yourself. We're not gonna trade here, but I'm just showing you that you could understand it's better, that here was the great maximum, and we can see it very nicely. So let's put it in so you can understand it better. So here was the great maximum, and it was really nice. And now the price gonna try to be a stable. So let's talk about the stable prices, and at the first moment in the technical analysis, let's just wait. So let's talk about usual area and the stable prices. So as you can see here, we're working with the curves, but moreover we have a stable area of the price where the price is working stably. So we can say from this market that price is working stably in this area, that it is more stable movement of the prices for a few minutes in this market. So here the price is working more stably. I even can do like this. So from here we can understand, is the price going upwards or downwards? So let's just see what's happening on the market. So we can see that the price is going upwards, and now I think the price is gonna go downwards because it's higher than the stable area of the price. So we can understand that the price is gonna go downwards because it's going over the areas that the price is usually working in. So this indicator is pretty understandable, and you can use them in every time you usually always have a stable area of the price working, and I thinking it's very nice. So let's just wait a little bit till the candle gonna close up and the trade gonna close up, so we will see our profit. And of course you can here use 2 technical analysis at the moment. You can see the curves. We had this curve, so now we're going to the second curve, and just so easily using 2 technical analysis or even just 1, we have the profit again, guys. That is just very amazing. Okay guys, so let's move on to the 5th technical analysis, and I think that is very nice. So let's find the situation where I can show you this. So I think this one is nice. This technical analysis is very nicely to work with the curves too. So let's see. We have the minimum horizontal line. So for this timing, it's somewhere here, and moreover we have the maximum horizontal line, and for this timing it's somewhere here. So this technical analysis help us to understand, will the price go higher or lower, for example, and vary each type of moments. So for example, if the price somewhere here, so we can understand, so probably it will go downwards because we don't have such a big area right here. So here I think that the price is gonna go upwards. First of all, I can see that from the curve, so we're making a one more curve. Moreover, that here is not very big the area to work with to the minimum, so I think that the price is gonna go higher because of 2 points in technical analysis, and let's wait and see what we're gonna see here. So just a few seconds and we see how the price is really growing up, and I think that is really amazing. So just with one technical analysis that you can earn a lot of money, and I think that is amazing, just wonderfully working with that. So you don't have to learn everything in one moment, you just can learn step by step by every technical analysis and get the great results. So just few seconds guys, and it's our 5th profitable deal, and I think that is just fantastic. So now it's time for 2 new indicators, the secret indicators. Are you ready? I hope you're ready. So let's delete this moment too. So we have the area for the indicators, and the first indicator that we're gonna use today is average true range. I know it's rarely working traders with, but I really like this indicator and I want to tell you about it. So we as usual correct the period and the style for ourselves so we're comfortable to work with, and let's save it and let's see what we're seeing here. So we're seeing in which time where was the market and where it's going, where it will be, so we can see the timing right here, and we can see that the price is going lower. We can see that it's predicting our lowering of the price, and I think it's gonna be 100% true because this indicator is just fantastic. I don't know why traders don't use it because it's really nice. You can see by minutes what's happened in the market and what's happened with the stock market right now. It's predicting, it's helping you, and you can see that just with one indicator we having a wonderful, fast and comfortable profitable deal. Okay guys, so let's continue and make one more deal with that indicator so you can be 100% sure that this indicator is just wow. So let's continue. We can see that we don't have really a lot of buyers, that they are starting to escaping from here, and we can see that from the technical analysis too guys. So we can see the maximum that was here and we're going for the minimum, so always we can see the stable area of price growing. So probably the price gonna try to go to this stable area with the prices. So we can see a little curves right here that helping us to understand what's happening on the market, and also we can see that stock market is going out of this asset, so the price gonna be falling down, and I think that is very nice that we will having a profit with one indicator and a little bit of technical analysis, even that it's a little bit tricky. Oh my gosh, and guys, even that was tricky, we have the profit, and that is amazing. So let's move on to the second indicator, the secret indicator. This indicator, Candler Channel, and some of the traders talking about it, but nobody talking what is it and how it works. So let's see. I'm correcting the period as usual. So I'm gonna be 13 and here gonna be 7, and I'm gonna correct the flowers. So that is amazing now. So let's make one trade with these beautiful indicators that showing us the flow of the market. So I think that the price gonna go lower, so we can see the flow of the market, the middle price that was working on the stock market, the highest price and the lowest price right here, and also we can see that the flow is not very highly right here, that the middle price it's somewhere here and the highest price it's somewhere here, that it's showing us that the price 100% will go lower than this point. So you see the highest point was here and the middle price there, and we're going down, and now we can see that the highest price is not in the same point that the highest candle, so that is showing us that the price gonna go downwards, and that is very nicely to understand. And guys, we're having the profit very easily right here, and I think that is amazing. So just few seconds, and guys, we're having a profit again. So that is all for today. Today we talked about the full technical analysis with you, and I hope now you're gonna be the pro of the binary options. And also I told you about 2 new indicators that are just wonderful to work with. So I hope you don't forget to follow my YouTube channel, and also don't forget that you can trade with me online where in my Telegram channel, where I give you free signals and you can invest your money correctly. So bye bye.